What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Now we're just going to go down here. It's right here. And play. So basically in Build a Boat for Treasure, you build boats and you go treasure hunting. And look at my gold already. And I have this tool. So let's build a good boat. Okay. Wow, I'm just going to spawn this one in. So it's good. No, wrong one. Yeah, I don't got love for Christmas. Can I use this one? I got the new body on my day. Gotta do the body on me. Okay guys, I'm just making some adjustments to my boat. Okay, let's hop on the boat. There's only one jetpack, there should be like 2 more. Okay, let's go in the house. And let's launch. Let's go. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna make it. We look good in there. Hey. Guys, I don't know what channel. If you already watched the Baby in Yellow video, go watch that right now. I already did night 1, 2, and 3. And next we're gonna do the thing, and then we're gonna do the hallway, then we're gonna do the, I don't know. That is, we've already all the way at the top already. I have 7,333 gold, guys. I have so much gold. But this is the boat we're riding in. Pretty trash, but it's okay. I like it. Wait, is that shrimp against us? That's shrimp, guys? Hold up. I'm gonna go get an ice cream. I went to the living room and my mom was there, and then there was a chocolate granola bar. And I tasted it and it's trash. Guys, have you ever got hurt at school? Because I did. Someone threw a football at me and I tried to catch it, but then it hit my thumb and my thumb went all the way back. It bended all the way back and I got bent. They hurt really bad, guys. Okay, got the 40s. There's damage. in the freaking third one, bro. What's the next one? She's for police. What the heck? No, she's not joining me. Whoa, what is that, bro? Oh my god, it's like a monkey. Oh my god, are those bananas? What is that? Bro, what is this, guys? Oh my god, my girl got a tooth gap! Damn! Oh, hammers! God, you guys are oh my god. Wait, I know it's funny when you get out and look. I'm good. I'm vibing. Oh, damn! Oh! I swear. Oh! Oh! Damn! Oh! Bro, this hole's in the... Ow! Oh, damn! I'm getting hammered right now. Oh, I gotta go sit back down. In the house, in the house, in the house! Sit down. And you guys haven't seen Joel Anteros Edits TikTok, go check that out too, guys. Please go check it out. Go check out TikTok. It's an amazing platform, man. You got, look, you only have 90 days, man. You have 90 days to watch TikTok. So please, just watch it when you have the chance. How did that rock even hit me? It was under the water. I swear, bro. How? No. Ah! I'm fully submerged in sand, bro. I'm fully submerged in sand. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the living room because I'm going to charge my iPad, guys. Oh my god, he's gonna wait on. Oh my god! Guys, the door! Why is it shut? Oh my god, look at the dance floor, guys. Damn, they're literally gone. Hey guys, we're almost at the end. Let's go! And our both sides are not broken. Whoa, there's Pokemon cards all over the floor. And some dice. What is that? Pokemon cards? Bro, my tongue still hurts tonight when I play it. But then my tongue still hurts when without bidding for money. Oh, dude, what did I do? Oh, actually did it. Oh, bro, what is happening? Oh, we're so cooked. Look at the head of us, man. Yeah, that's why nobody sits over there. Because then you're going to get this all off. Guys, oh my god! There's so many rocks. So we got, oh my god! Oh, the front! That's why nobody sits on the gaming chair, bro. That's why nobody sits on the gaming chair. All gaming chair's gone. Oh, look how thin the freaking floor is! Whoa, we're getting squished! Oh, we're not gonna finish it now. Good. How is the house a little bit standing? Only half of the house is on there. Look at. Dang! Let's spin up. Let's spin out the pepperoni chip. Oh no, not pepperoni chip. What's it called? Chip. Potato chip. That is spin out the potato chip, guys. What's that? Oh, man! Am I supposed to do like this? I'm under now. Get the light there. I can see the treasure. Guys, I can really see the treasure, bro. I made it! Give me that treasure. Oh, give me that ingots. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Give me. Oh, I think it's squished. I want to get squished. I did it. Hey. 105 gold. Almost at 8,000 again. Yup. Well, what now, guys? See you next time. Peace out. Until then.